How to see who liked you on Facebook Dating. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Facebook is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or Play Store and then install it. Once it has been installed on a device, simply open the app. Enter your Facebook login credential, as in your username and the password, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed into your account, click on this love icon at the very bottom. It will open up your Facebook dating section. Once you are in here, at the very top you can see it says liked you. Head over to it. Well, it will lead you to this page. In this page, it will show you all the list of the people who have liked you on Facebook Dating. Right now you can see there is no one who has liked me, so no one is available in this list. Now if someone click on the like button for you, then that person will be shown in this page. You don't have to buy any gold or subscription in order to see the people who have liked you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see the people who have liked you on Facebook Dating. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.